Good morning, student. Today we will learn the remaining topic of chapter 3. Then the first topic is converting text to a table. This is a text and how we'll convert this text to a table. So let us see what step we will take to convert a text to table. Select the text. Click on the Insert tab, Table of button and select the Convert Text to Table option from the drop down menu. The Convert Text to Table dialog box appears. Define the columns and rows under the numbers of columns and numbers of rows respectively. Click OK. Then the selected text will appear in the table form like this. Now next topic is inserting picture in a table. Suppose this is my table. Here first column is serial number, second item, quantity, and here a picture column. So I want to insert a picture in this cell. We can insert picture in a table. Follow the given step. Click on the cell where you want to insert a picture. Then click on the Insert tab and in the illustration group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Browse and select the picture to be inserted. Click on the Insert button. The selected picture will be inserted in the table cell. Now calculation in a table. Select a layout and click on the data. Select formula button. Your formula dialog box appears on your screen. First time when you add the numbers, you will see here a left, written here a left. You only click the OK. So your total marks will be displayed here. Now again you will click on data and select a formula. This time you will see here your after the sum you will see here कि above. Word above is displayed here. But you need not to add the above cell. You need to add a left side of the cursor cell. 75 and 8 plus 85. So you will write here to erase the above word. I am writing here a left. Now click OK. Now you will see here your total marks will be displayed. Now next, updating calculation in a table. Sometimes you may change the data or add a new data in a table. Word provides the facility to update the change. Select we change a second column 75. Now we need to add. So we press the F9. Now you can see the changing here in the third column. Again I am retype 75 to 85. Now press F9. You will see the changing in a third column.